guys, Ramadan Kareem. We're here in Gatara waiting for my mom. And if you want outfit check, here's Tata Dimple's outfit check. And see you guys later. Bye!
Ramadan Kareem everyone. So, we're already here at our farm here in Qatar. Medyo marami lang kami ngayong visitor kasi Ramadan nga. So, we accept visitor ngayon dito sa farm namin, as you can see. And now, we're just waiting to our sister kasi kakaut niya lang ng work. Tapos, isa ko namang ate is going in a bit. So, today is Friday. As usual, Friday is family day. So, update ko kayo guys later kung saan kami kakain. See you guys later! Karen Grace is on the house!
Buti ko na babae.
Nanananan. Ay, sinalubong. So, ayun guys, nag-walking na kami since we're already complete. Hindi ko alam kung mag-vlog pa ako or what. Baka idugtong ko na lang kasi somewhere. But, so ayun na. Complete! Di talaga kasi ako nag-vlog pag di kami complete ako. Saan? Anong restaurant yan? Anong restaurant? Ay, yung mga nasa gilid lang. Yes, you want parata?
Parata?
Yeah, we're about to eat. Para siyang
Yes.
luto-luto lang. Tapos magkano naman, sobrang mura.
But if the